Igbo names are beautiful, meaningful, and they give interpretations to the circumstance surrounding the birth of a child. Some interesting and beautiful Igbo names are Adaeze, meaning daughter of a king. Aunli means immense joy. Apunam, not to be tainted by the sun or stress. Ijawele, smooth journey. Binyere Chukwu, stay with God. Tona, praise the Father. Ifenkili, stunning. Ejimeto Chukwu, I am to praise God for. Isioma, good head or good leader, mostly for firstborn children. Kambili, allow me to live. Mabuola, a child is a jewel. Obiageli, born to win or born to wealth. Obianuju, born in abundance. Which of these names do you love? And which would you want to name your child? Let us know in the comment section. This is Nena Joseph. Keep watching Anedo TV.